Meaning of daks. Daks. Daks.
Daks. Daks. Daks is a slang term that originated in Australia and refers to the act of pulling down someone's pants, usually as a prank or act of humiliation. The word itself is thought to come from the phrase daks lie daks doen, which was a Scottish schoolyard chant used in a similar context. The act of daksing can be seen as disrespectful and inappropriate, as it invades someone's personal space and violates their dignity. It is important to respect others' boundaries and treat them with kindness and consideration.